California, at 10:50 a.m. on May 3rd, 2023, effective until 11:05 a.m. This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. If this was a real alert, you should tune to one of these television or radio stations to receive instructions from authorities about what is happening and what you need to do. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. Required monthly test for the following counties or areas. Santa Barbara, California, at 10:50 a.m. on May 3rd, 2023, effective until 11:05 a.m. This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. If this was a real alert, you should tune to one of these television or radio stations to receive instructions from authorities about what is happening and what you need to do. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Those June 9th on the calendar.
Look, I have a final schedule right there. If you want to go overnight, I won't be here. We'll know more as we get closer, but the last time I see you guys will be June.
Search bar on Amazon and you'll find our shops most different. I love it. You extended shopping locally to Amazon, which I'm not ready to. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for these amazing products I'm going to be making with that. So to Sylvie, Sam, and Claire, and
No, weekly test.
Santa Barbara, Ventura, and Los Angeles counties and adjacent coastal waters.
KLUN took it this time.
System designed to keep you informed in the event of a national, state, or local emergency. Positive, encouraging K-Love. You don't have to leave K-Love in your car.
K-Love.
You've got a smart
Their
speaker on your kitchen counter.
weekly test.
Just say, Alexa, play K-Love.
Wang wow. Did you guys seriously fail again? Wait. Yep. What has been up with them not taking the thing recently. Like the audio. Probably missed K-Don, but not like I was gonna stand there the entire time.
This is the required monthly test of the San Luis Obispo County Emergency Alert System. Repeating, this is only a test. This test is coming to you from the San Luis Obispo County Emergency Operations Center. This concludes the required monthly test.
No. Apparently I didn't get the reception for KKJG, so I had to do the Diamonds Media Cluster, but I got it, KXDZ and KWAV.